Hey you guys, before the video starts, I'm gonna do a quick advertisement sponsorship, okay? So here it goes. Won't take long. Just bear with me, all right? Okay, so I'm in a sponsorship with a small company called Drift Grips that sells, grips for the Twitch controller, PS4 controller, Xbox One controller, okay? And they also sell mouse and keyboard for the PC and a headset for all three consoles and the PC, and they also sell skins for their console controllers also. Okay, so if you guys want that, the link, go to the description. The link will be down there. Click that link and use my promo code Female Irony for 5% off your purchases. Everything is down there in the description. All right, it's all caps Female Irony to get 5% off of your items. And all the money will go to me. Not all the money, but yeah, like the percentage of the amount that I'm owed when someone buys and use my promo code. All the money will go to getting a new mic, a laptop, a computer, desktop, whatever, and obviously a new what was it called? I'm having a brain fart here. A new webcam, so you guys can see me crystal clear for my previous videos, because I know it's crappy and my mouth doesn't match my voice. So yeah, so it will be kindly if you can support me, and also my PayPal will be there too if it's not too much to ask. So like this video and subscribe. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. Have a good day. Wow. Hey you guys, it is Female Iron here, bringing you another gameplay of Blair Witch. Alright. Yeah. So last time I got scared shitless. It was super dark. So now watch me shit my pants again. So let's start it. Part 6, I think. Yeah, part 6? I don't know. I don't remember what part it is. But yeah, let's get this started, shall we? There we go. Part 6. Wrong one, boy. Now we gotta go all the way to oh, God, I thought you were gone. Alright, let's go. Oh, there we go. Let's get it, baby. Come on. Alright, I know how to do this. Andale. Oh, got the brake. I keep forgetting. Vámonos, vamos. Ah shit, I don't like this. What the fuck is that noise? I'm fucking scared, bro. I hate when it's dark. Imagine this in VR, bro. It's freaking crazy. That would just be insane. I don't think I'll have like the stomach or the heart. Good doggo, where are you? Oh, that's not good. SAWMILL, here we go. Haha. Haha, fuck you can't get me. Yeah, bitch, yeah. Adios, haha.
I don't like him either. We'll be out of here soon.
I see you. You can. Shit. Oh my god. Oh god damn it. Screw you, man. No. Keep going.
Just a little further.
Yeah, you're getting pissed off, aren't you? Yeah. Get mad all you want. I'm gonna make it. I'm a survivor. I will survive. I said I will survive. I will survive. I will survive. I will survive. We got this, baby. We got this. Yeah, now it can't come. Yeah, you fucker. What? I'm fucking freaking out too. Oh, you shit.
Slow boy. Very still.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Thank God.
We made it, bro. Holy shit. That was some crazy shit, man. Woo. Why? Why do you gotta down on me? Hey, we gotta take this by foot, big boy.
Stop, buddy.
Bro, you just magically. Oh, I thought you froze.
Yeah, good dog.
Let me pet you.
Aren't you a handsome boy? Yeah, good dog.
Did he just freeze?
Heel.
Oh, yeah.
Bullet, search.
Search, you little fat dog.
Nothing, eh?
Nothing? Nada? Alright. Oh, vamos. Oh, it's not as dark anymore. What? Who the fuck is calling me?
Yeah.
The fuck do you want, bitch?
Ellis? What's going on? Are you okay?
Yeah, no, it's nothing, and everything. Yeah, I know I'm not making any sense right now, but that's the thing. I think I'm starting to lose it, Jess. I see things, and I don't even know if they're real or not. I don't know which is worse.
God damn it, Ellis. I can't do this again. I'm sorry, but I can't.
Well, fuck
Yes,
you
please.
too, you slut.
I need you.
I know you.
help,
I know
Ellis.
you like this. What?
I tried to be there for you. I really did, but you keep pushing me away. Keep going deeper and deeper.
Hold up. But he just told her what's going on. This bitch don't make sense. Women.
Jess.
No, Ellis, I'm sorry, but I won't let you drag me down with you.
God damn it. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll call you later.
I would've been like, fuck you, bitch. I'm gonna die either way. Screw you, you dirty little cunt. Oh, wrong way. Smart dog. Vamos, vamos. Oh, there we go. God. I swear to God, there's a water monster. I'm gonna Yeah, you saw that too, didn't you, big boy? Fuck that.
This is it.
Oh, those are the logs.
The place we were looking for.
Ooh.
Come here, boy.
Hey, don't go far ahead. Come here.
Bullet.
There we go. Let there be light.
Anybody there? Anyone? This is Ellis. Over.
This door's open. Oh, I don't like that. Another picture.
It's old, not abandoned. Someone lives here.
Super old. Oh, wait. This is some fucking Friday the 13th shit, bro. Another tape. Let's watch the sex tape. Yes. Oh damn. You're gonna throw that axe at him? What's up?
Quiet, boy. We're not alone here.
What's in here, big boy? Oh shit. Oh, let's finish watching the video. Oh shit. There's blood. What the fuck? I'm freaking out, bro.
Locked.
Look. What do you mean look? Look, it's open. What? Damn, we gotta watch it. Rewatch this burning video. Oh. Yeah, you wouldn't scare me. Oh, I scared myself. Now what is this? I saw it, not a witch or a monster but a man carrying the pelt of a skinned human. Oh, he saw me and now he's coming. However,
Bullet!
what is this? 3324, 3324. It's a combination for some sort.
This
And another polygram, another Barbara. So he's been killing people. I know there's a way to go up there.
Okay, seek.
Alrighty, that was the stupidest thing ever. So I was right, it was the pass code. So there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hate myself. I wasted like what, like 10, 15 minutes on that shit. Oh, we go. I do not like this. Oh, here we go to the fucking murder scene. Bro, don't tell me he's alive.
Huh? Come here, boy.
What? There was just a body here. Gotta get braced. You gotta brace for it. Oh, this dude's leg is cut off.
Jesus.
This is wearing military pants. Army?
Hey, can you hear me? The blood's still fresh. Some of those are defense wounds. Multiple, badly mutilated.
Yeah.
Let me just...
Oh, PTSD flashbacks.
What?
Ooh.
How? Jesus Christ! What the fuck just happened?
Oh. Yeah, my thoughts exactly, man. Another tape. Let's watch it. Murder.
Drop the knife or I'll shoot you.
What the?
Even a chance. Someone right into the car. Holding in his face.
Jesus, bro. What's what I'm trying to look for, man?
Bullet. Who the hell is...
Oh shit!
Heal!
Is he just playing with my... He's just playing with my dog. Ah shit. Oh my god! Until next time, what will happen? Dun dun dun! Thanks for sticking tuned. Yeah. Peace out. Love you all. Have a good night. Or day. Or whatever. You know, whatever the fuck your time zone is. Just have a good one. Peace, homies. Peace.